taping this episode at the time of the year when backyard gardens are yielding huge amounts of vegetables, and sometimes it's a problem to know what to do with all of them. Well, let me show you how you can can your garden's bounty and enjoy them all year long. So what I've done is I've got zucchini that I grew, and I chopped them up into, I took 3 of them and I chopped them into small cubes. I also took some red bell peppers from my garden and cubed them as well. And then I have an onion that I chopped up, and then I'll just put them in a bowl, and then I will generously salt them and cover them with water and let it sit for about 2 hours. It's a form of brining. Now I rinsed and drained my vegetables, and now in a large sauce pot I've got sugar, turmeric, mustard seed, and celery seed. I'll add a cup of apple cider vinegar. I'll bring it to a boil, then I will add my vegetables and let them cook in that liquid for about 10 minutes. Now go ahead and pack the vegetable relish into sterile pint jars, and make sure you leave about 1/4 inch of space at the top, and then screw on the lids, the 2-piece lids, and just a quick tighten, and then you'll process them in a deep stock pot or a canner, and make sure you cover the whole jar and process for about 20 minutes. After you've removed the jars from the canner, listen for that pop, then tighten the lids, and enjoy your relish all year long, or even give them as gifts. Get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and look for the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you next time.